Do you want to know how you can disable all of the notifications in Otter.ai? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable the notifications in Otter.ai. Go ahead and open Otter.ai on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Click on your profile, which you can see on the left hand side of your screen. Now, what you need to do is click on Account Settings. Now go to Notifications. You can see that these are the notifications provided by Otter.ai. To turn it off, go ahead and click on them individually and then turn off all of the notifications. It's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is go to Notifications, and these are the notifications. Go ahead and click on each and every one individually and turn them off. You can also select a few individual notifications and turn them off. This way you will not get any kind of notifications from Otter.ai and you will be less disturbed and more focused on your job. Also make sure to enable some of the notifications which are helpful to you. I hope this video about how you can turn off your notification or how you can disable your Otter.ai notifications was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.